Okay, something different for today. We have some Ikea coffee, and I've had various Ikea coffees, but this one actually says single origin from the White Nile, Uganda. Ground coffee, medium roast, has a 3 out of 5 acidity, 3 out of 5 body, 3 out of 5 roasting. Has a picture of a drip machine there. We're going to use the sort of cone pour over process. So let's check this out. It's, typical with IKEA. It's build it yourself, I guess. I don't know. A lot of different languages on the top. Okay. So it looks like it's just vacuum sealed. Ooh, that's a bummer. It feels like it's supposed to be vacuum sealed. I mean, maybe I just cut this, but it doesn't look like it from where it is. This looks like a tear in the bag. Interesting. Cut the bag open some more. I have my IKEA clip I can use to clip this bag closed. I mean, it has there's a cherry scent in here. Fruity, cherries. It smells like cherry scented Folgers. So we'll boil up some water and we'll give this a try. I have one of these. Look, so there is a crema that's coming up. So we know that this is, I don't know if you can see it there, relatively fresh coffee. Just gonna let that brew for a minute. So I've had coffee at IKEA. I've had their dark roast coffee and their other regular medium roast coffee. The medium roast is what I think they serve in the IKEA restaurants. This is the first time I've seen the single origin, so I think that's interesting. Every cup matters. White Nile, Uganda, a region blessed with fertile soil and an ideal climate for Arabica coffee plants. This is where we empower local farmers through improved farming techniques and increased business skills. Crop quality rises, demand and livelihoods grow. Taste the result, an extraordinary single origin coffee with a unique history to tell. Not a big fan of the pre-ground, but you never know what you're gonna get. You can even stir that up a little bit. Well, I agree. The acidity is a 3 out of a 5. It is also a medium roasted coffee. The body is not a medium body. It's a little light on the body. So it resembles IKEA coffee that you're familiar with. This does have a little bit of that cherry flavor in there, which I really appreciate. I think of IKEA coffee as tasting a little more woodsy than this. Woodsy and nutty. There is a little bit of the nut here, but it's more nut and cherry. It has some dryness to it as well. So it's the best IKEA coffee I've had so far, let's put it that way. All right, on my scale, which is based on a 10, not a 5, I think this is a solid 6.8. So there you go. or as they say in Sweden, fika. Coffee break? All right, thanks for watching. We have tons more of coffee reviews. Please like, subscribe, rumble, all that business. And as always, pray, hope, don't worry, and drink coffee.